Good morning.
Oh, I cracked myself up.
Yes, you just missed a pretty darn funny joke.
Oh, we're talking about cauliflower.
Well, Polly said, I want to stop at Veggie World because we're on our way to go get some lunch and then we have errands to run. We have to head into Hartford to pick up a script because, you know, all Class B?
In Connecticut.
No, it's nationwide.
Is it nationwide?
Yeah.
Oh.
All Class B pharmaceuticals have to be scripted out, paper script, can be called in, so yeah. Luckily we're on vacation this week, so we can, that's not really a spot.
It's
but,
awesome. Well,
okay.
I'll make it a spot.
Alright, so Polly's just gonna run in and this is what he said. Oh, I'm missing cauliflower. I said, well, didn't we have some? He goes, yeah, I ate it. I'm like, oh, are you going through withdrawals? He goes, yeah. I said, okay, well, could you get 2 heads of cauliflower so then I can plan on cooking one and you can have one as raw? He goes, well, I'll see how much it is. I'm like, well, if it's a really attractive one. So he starts saying, ooh, you're a pretty cauliflower. I'm like, what is wrong with you?
You're good looking.
Oh, lordy. So he's just gonna run in. We're at Veggie World and he's, oh, and we got Mushki with us because she's the spoiled little girl who gets to go with us everywhere. So funny, they put new doors on. Come here, baby. Good girl. Oh, and I have a sweatshirt on. Look at that. Because it's, oh, now it's up to 49 degrees. It's so bizarre. It's June 2nd and it's in the 40s. And we've already had a couple of heat waves of 90-degree temperatures, so, and I think it's supposed to be towards the end of the week too. So tomorrow is my mother's birthday. She is turning 66. Yeah, 66. She was born in 1949. She's a post-war baby boom baby. For those who don't know, my family is from former Soviet Union, it's Ukraine. No, it used to be a state of the Soviet Union, but now it is its own country under turmoil from Russia. But my grandparents lost a son during World War II and ended up having my mother in 1949. Much later, at the time, that was they were much older parents to welcome a baby, but I certainly am glad they did because, you know, without her, I wouldn't be here. Waiting for Daddy. Eagle eyes. Where's Daddy? Mushki, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? So, like, I'm not taking my eyes off the door. If I blink, I will miss him. No, you won't, because he's going to come to the car. So I had a message from someone who watched a Dollar Tree haul video that I make an annoying sound when I do videos. And I did rewatch the entire video. And sure enough, there was a sound. I don't know if it was that annoying, but I never realized I was doing that. In the 2,000 plus videos that I have on my channel, it's possible it's on multitudes of videos, but it's probably such a subconscious thing that I don't even notice I'm doing it until I just caught myself doing it in the previous clip. I think when I swallow after I talk, there's a sound that comes out, so it's absolutely not intentional, but yeah, if you find it annoying, just don't watch my video. It's okay. I won't blame you, but it was not, I did not actively choose to make an annoying sound. It just so happens. Is that Daddy? Door's open. I don't see Daddy. He must have found something other than just cauliflower because it would not have taken him this long. But it is pretty busy this morning. Maybe they're putting new stuff out. So I will try and keep a mindful reminder to myself about not making that sound. Although I can't promise it because I'm who I am. There's certain things that are hard to escape. At first I thought it was a camera malfunction because I did notice it, you know, consistently, especially in that particular video. But then I watch a couple of other videos and it's not prevailing. So maybe it's only happens occasionally, maybe when, I don't know, maybe it's allergy related. I have no idea. I'm not providing excuses. It was just interesting for me to see that someone's pointed something like that out, and then I wanted to make sure I found it, and I did. I bet you what's taking Daddy so long is he's picking out oranges. Nachos at Montana Ted's, right?
Montana Grill. I wonder where they're from.
Montana. Paper straws. So cool. Crushed ice and paper straws. Check out the size of the fork. My salad. Check out this ginormous onion rings with horseradish sauce. Polly has steak, broccoli, and fries.
Okay, maybe I have to read.
We had to stop for Mushy to go potty.
Today's show was produced by
Go potty, Mushki.
and Tyone Wolf. Our interns are Allison Aaron Wright, Katie McDonald, and Anna Geismar.
Don't go into the woods.
The intro and tweets for us at WN.
We're driving through downtown Hartford. We just went and got Polly's script, and yeah, I know a lot of people are dealing with the same thing about having to pick up Class B scripts every month, even though you might be on maintenance medication that you used to be able to have called in or get 3 months. Now, your doctor opted not to give you a 3-month script. Is that correct?
Yeah, but okay. I'm going to ask him next.
Oh, your next appointment?
Next appointment, which is in July.
Yeah.
If I can get, because it just blows going there every month.
Yeah, and when Polly walked into the office, apparently the nurse who's in charge of the lockbox filled with physical scripts said, "Oh, you're lucky you caught me. I was just on my way out the door." And he was like, "But your office is open till 4:30.
Not today.
Not today. She had somewhere she had to go.
Lucky.
So, how irritated would you have been if you Connecticut River? If you got there all the way into Hartford and she was gone? That would have peed me off. Yeah. Not very good customer service, like from a point of view of, you know, being the patient. It's already enough that we have to schlep.
I am the doctor.
It's already enough that we have to schlep that in. Yeah, it would be nice. Don't forget, do you want me to write that down on the day of your appointment to remind you to ask about a 3-month script? Because going in 4 times a year is easier than
12.
Than every month, yeah. Alright, well, we'll try it. He knows you by now. You've been seeing him for, what, 15 years?
No longer than that.
Longer than that?
Since 97. So, 97.
Honey, we got married in 97. You could just
98.
use
98.
98.
In 98.
It's been a while.
About 17 years. It's a long time.
It is. So by now, he either trusts you or he doesn't.
You should trust me. I'm his only patient.
What?
I think I'm his only patient.
Is he retiring?
No, I pay a lot of money.
Oh, you mean he's your exclusive doctor?
No, it's you, Bob.
Oh, yeah. No. We're just kidding. He's not Paulie's. Paulie's not his only patient.
Yeah.
Anyway.
He travels around with me everywhere I go.
You see him twice a year. Oh no, you go to his office every month, but you see him twice a year, right?
Right.
So I went upstairs to take a nap, and while I was napping, somebody made dinner. And that somebody, the only other human in the house with opposable thumbs, is Polly. Roasted chicken, sweet potato, butter parsley fingerlings, a little bit potatoey, but
Dill. Dill on there.
dill. Oh, dill, but those are the fingerling potatoes, right?
Yeah.
And yummy salad with a wedge of lemon, because I love lemon with my chicken, or chicken with my lemon. So, yum! Look at that lovely surprise. And he did dishes, and he put dishes away.